Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log in Google account on your Google Sheet. To get started, let's open browser. For now, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Here, enter Google Sheet login. Now click on first link. Here it will ask you your email address. Enter your email address and click on next. Now enter your password. Here you go, you have successfully logged in your Google account on your Google Sheet. Now click on blank spreadsheet in order to work with Google Sheet. Here you go, you can now work with Google Sheet. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.